Sports Current Affairs 80 MCQs. Test your knowledge. 1 short revision. 1 Football for Schools F4S program is run by FIFA in collaboration with which organization? A. World Health Organization WHO. B. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO. C. World Bank. D. United Nations Development Programme UNDP. Correct answer B. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO. 2. Which Indian player won the United States Open Badminton title 2025? A. Ayush Shetty. B. Lakshya Sen. C. H.S. Pranoy. D. Chirag Shetty. Correct answer A. Ayush Shetty. 3. Which country is the host of Asian Youth Table Tennis Championships 2025? A. Uzbekistan. B. Indonesia. C. India. D. China. Correct answer A. Uzbekistan. 4. Which city is the host of Khelo India Water Sports Festival 2025? A. Chandigarh. B. Dehradun. C. Srinagar. D. Shimla. Correct answer C. Srinagar. 5. Who won the bronze medal for India at the World Junior Squash Championships 2025 after 15 years? A. Adya Advani. B. Nikita Joshi. C. Anahat Singh. D. Akanksha Salunkhe. Correct answer C. Anahat Singh. 6. Who won the Women's Chess World Cup 2025? A. Tanya Sachdev. B. Divya Deshmukh. C. Koneru Hampi. D. Vantika Agrawal. Correct answer B. Divya Deshmukh. 7. India won which medal in the women's category at Asia Rugby Under-20 Championship 2025? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Bronze medal. 8. Where was the Khelo India Asmita Football League 2025-26 inaugurated? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer B. Maharashtra. 9. Which state won the Sub-Junior Under-15 Boys and Girls National Championships 2025? A. West Bengal. B. Haryana. C. Jharkhand. D. Odisha. Correct answer B. Haryana. 10. Which state is the host of 12th Men's Asia Cup Hockey Championship 2025? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer D. Bihar. 11. Which state UT is the host of Khelo India Water Sports Festival KWSF 2025? A. Uttarakhand. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Lakshadweep. Correct answer B. Jammu and Kashmir. 12. Which country is the host of Asian Open Short Track Speed Skating Trophy 2025? A. Thailand. B. India. C. China. D. Vietnam. Correct answer B. India. 15. Who won India's first gold medal at the U20 World Wrestling Championships 2025 in Bulgaria? A. Tapasya. B. Kiran Bishnoi. C. Seema Bisla. D. Manisha Bhanwala. Correct answer A. Tapasya. 16. Which city is the host of Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2025 and Asian Aquatics Championship 2025? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Hyderabad. D. Ahmedabad. Correct answer D. Ahmedabad. 15. Who won India's first gold medal at the U20 World Wrestling Championships 2025 in Bulgaria? A. Tapasya. B. Kiran Bishnoi. C. Seema Bisla. D. Manisha Bhanwala. Correct answer A. Tapasya. 16. Which city is the host of Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2025 and Asian Aquatics Championship 2025? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Hyderabad. D. Ahmedabad. Correct answer D. Ahmedabad. 17. What is the name of the mascot for the 11th Asian Aquatics Championship 2025? A. Aqua Shakti. B. Jalveer. C. Samudra. D. Agni. Correct answer B. Jalveer. 18. Which country is the host of 28th ITTF2 Asian Table Tennis Team Championships 2025? A. Indonesia. B. Malaysia. C. India. D. China. Correct answer C. India. 19. Who won the men's singles title at the United States, US, Open Tennis Championships 2025? A. Jannik Sinner. B. Carlos Alcaraz. C. Alexander Zverev. D. Daniil Medvedev. Correct answer B. Carlos Alcaraz. 20. Where was India's largest sports complex, the Veer Savarkar Sports Complex, inaugurated? A. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. C. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. D. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Correct answer B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. 21. Who has become the first Indian judoka to top junior world rankings? A. Sangeeta Mehta. B. Himanshi Tokas. C. Kalpana Devi. D. Garima Chaudhary. Correct answer, B. Himanshi Tokas. 22. What is the name of campaign launched by ICC and UNICEF during the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 to promote equal opportunities for children? A. Play for Children. B. Promise to Children. C. Child Safety and Well-being. D. Champions for Children. Correct answer, B. Promise to Children. 23. Which Indian state is the host of BWF, Badminton World Federation, World Junior Championships 2025? A. Gujarat. B. Sikkim. C. Assam. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Assam. 24. Which state is the host of 5th edition of Khelo India University Games, KIAC 2025? A. Bihar. B. Karnataka. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Rajasthan. 25. Which football team won the 125th Indian Football Association, IFA, Shield 2025? A. East Bengal FC. B. Odisha FC. C. Northeast United FC. D. Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Correct answer, D. Mohan Bagan Super Giant. 26. Who won the 2025 Major League Soccer, MLS, Golden Boot? A. Lionel Messi. B. Robert Lewandowski. C. Christian McCaffrey. D. Cristiano Ronaldo. Correct answer, A. Lionel Messi. 27. India won which medal in hockey at the Sultan of Johor Cup 2025 in Malaysia? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Silver medal. 28. India won ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 by defeating which country in the final? A. Australia. B. England. C. New Zealand. D. South Africa. Correct answer, D. South Africa. 29. Rahul versus, who became India's 91st chess grandmaster in November 2025, belongs to which state? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, B. Tamil Nadu. 30. Who has become India's first para-athlete to be selected for able-bodied international competition? A. Harvinder Singh. B. Sheetal Devi. C. Rakesh Kumar. D. Deepika Kumari. Correct answer, B. Sheetal Devi. 31. Which country is the host of 2026 Asian Youth Archery Championship? A. United Arab Emirates. B. China. C. India. D. Indonesia. Correct answer, A. United Arab Emirates. 32. Who has become the first Indian female to hold 11 Guinness World Records in freestyle skating? A. Janvi Zindal. B. Asmita Pal. C. Preeti Gupta. D. Vartika Sinha. Correct answer, A. Janvi Zindal. 33. Kushal Dalal, who recently won the GT Open Indoor World Series title, is associated with which sport? A. Boxing. B. Badminton. C. Wrestling. D. Archery. Correct answer, D. Archery. 34. Which state UT is the host of 69th National School Games U19 Table Tennis Tournament? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Ladakh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, A. Jammu and Kashmir. 35. Which Indian badminton player won the Australian Open 2025 men's singles title? A. Lakshya Sen. B. Kidambi Shrikant. C. Chirag Shetty. D. H.S. Pranoy. Correct answer, A. Lakshya Sen. 36. Who won the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 champion? A. Javokhir Sindarov. B. Andrei Esipenko. C. Frederick Swain. D. Daniel Dubov. Correct answer, A. Javokhir Sindarov. 37. Sarvagya Singh Kushwaha, who has become the youngest chess player in history to earn an official FIDE rating, belongs to which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, A. Madhya Pradesh. 38. Who won the Jerusalem Masters 2025 chess title? A. Gukesh Domaraju. B. Arjun Erigaisi. C. Ramesh Babu Pragnanandha. D. Viswanathan Anand. Correct answer, B. Arjun Erigaisi. 39. Which country is the host of Commonwealth Kho-Kho Championship 2026? A. Indonesia. B. India. C. China. D. Malaysia. Correct answer, B. India. 40. Abdul Qadir Indori, who won 2 gold medals at the Asian Youth Para Games 2025, is associated with which sports? A. Swimming. B. Wrestling. C. Boxing. D. Badminton. Correct answer, A. Swimming. 41. Which city is the host of 72nd Senior National Volleyball Championship 2026? A. वाराणसी, उत्तर प्रदेश. B. इंदौर, मध्य प्रदेश. C. जयपुर, राजस्थान. D. पटना, बिहार. Correct answer. A. वाराणसी, उत्तर प्रदेश. 42. Which Indian tennis player won the women's singles title at the W35 Solapur tennis tournament in Maharashtra? A. Riya Bhatia. B. Vaishnavi Adkar. C. Vaidehi Chaudhary. D. Rutuja Bhosle. Correct answer. C. Vaidehi Chaudhary. 43. Who has been named India's captain for the ICC Men's Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2026? A. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. B. Ayush Mhatre. C. Vihan Malhotra. D. R.S. Ambarish. Correct answer. B. Ayush Mhatre. 44. Who won the women's trap gold medal at the National Shooting Championship held at Dr. Karni Singh Range, Delhi? A. Kirti Gupta. B. Prakti Dubey. C. Neeru Dhanda. D. Rahi Sarnobat. Correct answer. C. Neeru Dhanda. 45. Grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi won which medal at the World Blitz Championship 2025? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer. C. Bronze medal. 46. Which city is the venue of 44th Junior National Kho-Kho Championship? A. Bangalore. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Kolkata. Correct answer. A. Bangalore. 47. Anahat Singh won which medal in the women's U19 final at the British Junior Open Squash Championships? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer. B. Silver medal. 48. Alyssa Healy, who recently announced her retirement from all forms of international cricket, belongs to which country? A. England. B. South Africa. C. New Zealand. D. Australia. Correct answer. D. Australia. 49. Which organization launched the National Olympic Education and Development Program, NOEP? A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. B. Indian Olympic Association. C. Sports Authority of India. D. None of the above. Correct answer. B. Indian Olympic Association. 50. Yash Anil Rashia won which medal at the 7th Roll Ball World Cup 2025? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer. A. Gold medal. 49. Which organization launched the National Olympic Education and Development Program, NOEP? A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. B. Indian Olympic Association. C. Sports Authority of India. D. None of the above. Correct answer. B. Indian Olympic Association. 50. Yash Anil Rashia won which medal at the 7th Roll Ball World Cup 2025? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer. A. Gold medal. 53. Which country won the U19 Cricket World Cup 2026? A. India. B. England. C. Zimbabwe. D. South Africa. Correct answer. A. India. 54. Which state's women's team won the gold medal at the Para Throwball National Federation Cup 2026? A. Rajasthan. B. Jharkhand. C. Gujarat. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer. B. Jharkhand. 55. Which country won the South Asian Football Federation, SAFF, Under-19 Women's Championship title 2026? A. India. B. Bangladesh. C. Nepal. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer. A. India. 56. Which state is the host of National Mountain Bike Cycling Championship 2026? A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer. B. Arunachal Pradesh. 57. Which state is the host of National Divyangajan Cricket Sports Festival 2026? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer. A. Madhya Pradesh. 58. Which tennis player won the Delhi Open 2026 men's singles title? A. Siddhant Bantia. B. Oliver Crawford. C. Somdev Dev Varman. D. Stefanos Sakellaridis. Correct answer. D. Stefanos Sakellaridis. 59. Which country is the host of Asian Games 2026? A. Japan. B. India. C. Indonesia. D. China. Correct answer. A. Japan. 60. Which Indian athlete created history by completing the full Ironman New Zealand triathlon in 11 hours and 50 minutes? A. Anant Rana. B. Nitendra Singh Rawat. C. Shivnath Singh. D. Kheta Ram. Correct answer. A. Anant Rana. 61. The Indian Athletics Series 4 was held in which city? A. Ranchi. B. Patna. C. Bhopal. D. Lucknow. Correct answer. A. Ranchi. 62. Which state is the host of 87th Interstate Junior and Youth National Table Tennis Championship 2026? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. Uttarakhand. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, C. Uttarakhand. 63. Who became the first Indian woman to win the Women's Candidates Chess Tournament 2026? A. Divya Deshmukh. B. Koneru Hampi. C. Harika Dronavalli. D. R. Vaishali. Correct answer, D. R. Vaishali. 64. Which institute has introduced Omega Ball, a first of its kind sport in India? A. IIT Madras. B. IIT Bombay. C. IIT Roorkee. D. IIT Ahmedabad. Correct answer, A. IIT Madras. 65. Who has become India's 95th GM, Grandmaster? A. Aronyak Ghosh. B. Virendra Garg. C. Vaibhav Jha. D. Samyak Sinha. Correct answer, A. Aronyak Ghosh. 66. Which country is the host of ISSF Junior World Cup 2026? A. Egypt. B. France. C. China. D. Chile. Correct answer, A. Egypt. 67. Which city is the host of 2027 World Para Athletics Championships? A. Paris. B. Beijing. C. New Delhi. D. Tashkent. Correct answer, D. Tashkent. 68. What is the name of the app launched by Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister for Athlete Management in Shooting? A. Khelo India app. B. NRI Athlete app. C. Sports India app. D. Fit India app. Correct answer, B. NRI Athlete app. 69. Ishank Singh, who has become the youngest swimmer to cross the Polk Strait, belongs to which state? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, B. Jharkhand. 70. Which country is the host of World Yogasana Championship 2026? A. Australia. B. India. C. France. D. Brazil. Correct answer, B. India. 71. Kuldeep Kumar, who recently set a new national mains pole vault record of 5.41 meters, belongs to which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, B. Madhya Pradesh. 72. Which state UT is the host of Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship 2026? A. Ladakh. B. Maharashtra. C. Delhi. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer, C. Delhi. 73. Aparna Dahiya, who recently won a gold medal at the 11th Sanda World Cup, is associated with which sport? A. Boxing. B. Wushu. C. Wrestling. D. Badminton. Correct answer, B. Wushu. 74. Ajit Narayana recently won which medal at the Asian Senior Weightlifting Championships 2026? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. Bronze medal. 75. Which tennis player won the women's singles title at the Italian Open 2026? A. Elina Svitolina. B. Elena Rybakina. C. Iga Swiatek. D. None of the above. Correct answer, A. Elina Svitolina. 76. How many medals won by India at the Asian Weightlifting Championships 2026? A. 7. B. 9. C. 10. D. 11. Correct answer, C. 10. 77. The Batalik Volleyball Championship was organized in Ladakh under which operation? A. Operation Vijay. B. Operation Sadbhavna. C. Operation Meghdoot. D. Operation Rakshak. Correct answer, B. Operation Sadbhavna. 78. The Asian Under-23 Wrestling Championships were held in which country? A. Japan. B. China. C. Vietnam. D. India. Correct answer, C. Vietnam. 79. What is position of India in medal tally at the 22nd Asian Under-20 Athletics Championships 2026? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer, B. Second. 80. Which state hosted the first ever 2026 Aichi Nagoya Asian Games Fun Run? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Correct answer, D. Kerala. If you need explanation, let me know in the comments section. Comment below for explanation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.